Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to change your watch battery, and I'll be sharing with you a very useful tip in this video. So keep on watching. Before you begin, determine what type of case bags you have, whether it's a snap-on case bag or a screw-down case bag. If yours is a snap bag, continue watching. But if yours is a screw-down case bag, I'm so sorry, this is not the video for you. Probably I'll do one in the future, but not today. The essential tools you must have are a pry tool knife. I have two types here. A pair of tweezers, spring bar removal tool, some cloth or tape, batteries, and obviously your watch. The not so essential tools but highly recommended are case bag presser and finger cords. This is the watch repair toolkit that I have. As you can see, you can find most of your tools here. And it's all in this bag. Have you ever worn a watch and then suddenly it just ran out of battery? Isn't it annoying? But not for Tissot watches. One thing really cool about Tissot quartz watches is that it will indicate to you when it's low battery. The second hand moves only every 4 seconds. Such a cool thing. Now let's get into it. Step 1. Remove whatever obstacles in your way. This depends on your watch. For me, I have to remove the deploying clasps here. But you can also remove your strap using the spring bar remover tool over here. All this so that you can open your case bag easier. Step number 2. Pry open the case bag. Again, depending on your watch, mostly will have some sort of lip over here. You just gotta find it and pry it open. But for this watch, as you can see, there's no lip, but because I opened this case before, I know where to pry it open. So just give it a try and you will know it. You can either tape your case bag or use some form of cloth to cover your watch so that you won't scratch the watch. And then just use your knife to pry it open. It might take some trial and error, and then voila! Step 3. Don't lose anything. Now here's a tip. Take a picture of the movement of your watch inside so that you can remember how it looks, but most importantly to remember what type of battery your watch is using, so you don't have to be like me, like when I'm trying to plan out this video and then I realize I didn't have the right battery, so I have to postpone it while waiting for the battery to arrive. Take a picture of your watch inside and prepare your battery. Don't be like me, guys. Step number 4. Remove the battery gently. Be careful not to touch any other things, especially these coils over here. Sometimes your battery might be held on by some form of lever, so just use your tweezers to move them. For this watch, use your tweezers and push them out like this. Step number 5. Put the battery in. Use your tweezers and place the new battery in, and then check whether is it ticking normally. If all is good, let's move on to step number 6. Clean your watch while you're at it. Since you've already opened up the case bag and you notice if your watch is dirty, might as well just clean it. Do not use a damp, wet cloth. A microfiber cloth works the best. Step 7. Put the case bag on. Carefully place back the gasket. Most watches will have some kind of groove or indentation over here, so that when you put back the case bag, it won't break the crown, but mine doesn't. So I will just pull it like this, as the words are supposed to be straight like that. Step number 8. Secure it. If all is well, just press it firmly. You will feel it once it snaps back into place. And you're all done. But wait, if it doesn't snap back into place, this is where this thing comes in handy. This is called a case back presser, and this is how to use it. So this is how you change your watch battery without spending 10 times more visiting a watch shop. But if you're not confident and really fearful of scratching your watch, I would suggest just get a professional person to help you with that. Like this video and share it to your friends who needed some help in changing watch battery. Drop down your comments if you find this video to be helpful. Check out my previous videos if you're into watches and stuff like that. Remember to subscribe to support this channel. I hope to achieve 500 subscribers by the end of this year. Let's make it happen, guys. Thank you so much.